Good morning children. So today we are going to be do the word problems of page number 100. So here read, think and solve. Read, think and solve. This overall 8 sums are there children. These 8 sums one by one. How to do these sums? I am going to give the clues. So based on the clue, try to complete these sums. Okay. So already you completed the fractions of how to do multiplications, divisions, and about the subtractions, additions. The fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division we completed, isn't it? Based on the topic only, here the word problems are there. So this we will do according to the instructions. Okay, so here whatever the fraction was given, all the mixed fractions and the normal mixed fractions, improper and proper fractions are there together. So in this, after reading the statement, you have to think whether how to do the addition or subtraction and then how to solve the sums. Okay, so now everyone open your textbook page number 100 and your classworks also take it ready children. So this is the last exercise of chapter 10. Later we can continue the next chapter. Okay, so everyone open your classwork and start doing the sums according to the instructions. So the first one, Ritu spent rupees 15 1/4 on snacks and rupees 7 1/2 on drink and rupees 3 1/2 on bus travel. How much did she spend all together? See, all together, total, like that the words are there means that is indicated to the addition. So here what they are discussing here about the expenditure of Ritu. Okay, Ritu, she spent her money for snacks, for drink and for the bus fare. So total how much she spent, that amount we have to calculate. Okay, so what you have to write the first one, amount spent on snacks is equal to AMT. AMT means amount. Okay, amount spent on snacks is equal to, what is the, how much amount children? Rupees 15 1/4. So 15 1/4 it is in the mixed fraction. So this mixed fraction we have to convert into the improper fraction. So already you know that how to convert into the improper fraction. The whole number and the denominator both should multiply, and after multiplying for the product we have to add the numerator. Okay, so here the denominator is 4 and the whole number is 15. So 15 and 4, 15 4s are 60 is the sum. 60 plus 1, 60 plus 1. How much will be the numerator? 61/4. Okay, next, second step, amount spent on, amount spent on drink. Amount spent on drink is equal to rupees, how much? 3 rupees, 3 1/2. So this also convert into improper fraction. So 3 1/2. Whole number and denominator both have to multiply. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7/2. Next, third one, amount spent on travel. Amount spent on travel is equal to rupees, sorry children, it is 3 1/2. Actually the amount spent on drink is 7 1/2 and this is 3 1/2. Okay, 7 1/2. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15/2. Now, amount she spent on all together is equal to, first how much is the answer children? 61/4 plus 15/2 plus 7/2. Okay, first you do the, take the LCM of 4, 2, 2. If you take the LCM, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 1s are. Again 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 1, 1. What is the leftover? What is the LCM we will get here? 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 is the LCM. Okay, now all the denominators have to divide with the LCM, and what the quotient will be getting, with the quotient have to multiply numerator. So 4 in 4 table, how many times it will be divided, children? 1 time. So 1 into 61 plus in 2 table 4 divide 2 times. So 2 into 15 plus in 2 table again 4 will divide 2 times. 2 into the numerator is 7. Okay, now do the totaling. 1 into 61, 61 plus 12 15s are 2 15s are 30 plus 2 7s are 14 by 4 is equal to, add this all, 60 plus 30 is equal to 90, 90 plus 10 is equal to 100, and 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 105 by 4. And this 105 we have to do the simplify. How to do the simplify means 105 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 25 is the remainder. 4 5s are 20. 5 is the remainder. So remainder will become as a numerator and the quotient will become as a whole number. So 25 5 by 4 is the answer. 25 5 by 4 is the answer. Like this you have to complete the first sum. Okay. Next, second sum. Copy it neatly, children, everyone. After doing the total or after doing the subtraction, what the answer will be getting, that answer you have to change, convert into the mixed fraction. Okay, in mixed fraction, children, what are the remainder will come? The remainder have to write as a numerator. Okay, denominator will not be changed, and the quotient will be have to write in the whole numbers place. Okay, next. B1. Sharon had 34 2 by 3 kgs of sugar. She sold 27 1 by 2 kgs. Find how much sugar was left with her. The word here is saying left. Left means it is related to the left. Find the difference and what is left over. Okay, so these all the words we have to and find the difference. This all will be comes under the subtraction. So this you have to do the subtraction. B1, how to write this means the quantity of sugar is equal to B1 QT1 means quantity of sugar is equal to, what is the sum here? 34 2 by 3, and this 34 2 by 3 we have to convert into the improper fraction. So 34 into 3, 3 4s are 12, 1 is the remainder, and 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is equal to 100. It means 102 plus 2 is equal to 104 by 3. Okay, and quantity of sold sugar is equal to, quantity of sold sugar is equal to 27 1 by 2. 27 1 by 2. 27 into 2. It will be 54. 54 plus 1, 55 by 2. Okay, now how much leftover they are asking now? So leftover sugar is equal to quantity of leftover sugar is equal to 104 by 3 minus 55 by 2. Take the LCM of 3 and 2. Okay, and you will be getting the LCM. After that, make the denominators equal and subtract the answers. You will be get the leftover sugar. Got it? Up to now I told you know Now take the LCM of 3 and 2. As the 3 and 2 are the prime numbers, so definitely you will be getting 6 as a LCM. So 6, with the 6 you have to simplify this and find the leftover sugar. Next, C. Sum number C. If the cost of one bag is 25 rupees 3 by 5, find the cost of 5 bags. So this is 1 is there, we have to find more. So 1 is there, we are finding more means you have to do the multiplication. If more is there, how to find 1, how to do the division. That you have to remember, children. 1 is there, to find more, multiplication. So now the cost of a bag is equal to, cost of a bag is equal to rupees 25 3 by 5. Cost of a bag. Next, cost of 5 bags is equal to, cost of 5 bags is equal to, now what you have to do here, simplify this. 25 into 5, 125 plus 3 is equal to 128 by 5. Okay, now 128 by 5 into 5, because we have to find the 5 bags cost. So now do the cross division. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. What is left over, children? 128 into 1 by 1 into 1. So 128 into 1 is equal to 128. So it means, therefore, the cost of 5 bags is equal to, therefore the cost of 5 bags is equal to rupees 128. Like this, how to find the multiplication sums. Okay, next, D. Copy it neatly. Now D. If the cost of 10 sweets is rupees 35 by 6, find the cost of 1 sweet. So just now we discussed now, if more are there, finding 1, what you have to do? Division. Okay, so now write down everyone. Cost of 10 sweets is equal to, cost of 10 sweets is equal to rupees 35 by 6. So if you multiply 30 into 6, 180 plus 5 is equal to 185 by 6. Okay, now the cost of 1 sweet is equal to, cost of 1 sweet is equal to, what you have to do? 185 by 6 divided by 10. Now take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 10. So as any number is not there 10, so we have to write 10 by 1. Then what you have to do? 185 by 6 into 1 by 10. Okay, in 10 table, have to do the simplification. Five table you can take, children. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 35, 7. Still any number will be divided here? No, any number is not divided. So what you have to do? 37 into 1 by 6 into 2. 37 by 6 2s are 12. Now as the numerator is more, we can simplify this. How? By dividing 37 divided by 12. 12 3s are 36 and the remainder is 1. So the 1 you have to write as a numerator and 3 as a whole number, and the denominator 12 will be same. So therefore the cost of one sweet is equal to rupees 3 1/12. Okay, next D. D completed. E. Find the sum of the products of 2 1/2, 3 1/2 and 1 1/5, 3 2/4. So here two different sums are there. What we have to do means find the sum of the products. It means here two variations are there. First we have to find the products. It means multiplication. The multiplication answer will be known as the product. After finding the product, we have to find the sum. Sum means the total answer will be known as the sum. So here what we have to find? 2 1/4, comma 3 1/2 and 1 1/5, comma 3 2/4. 3 2/4. Now how to do the sum? First these two you have to multiply and here the next two we have to multiply. So it means 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9/4 into 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7/2. Okay, plus 1 5s are 5 plus 1 is equal to 6/5 into 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14/4. So as cross division is not possible, directly you have to multiply. 9 7s are 63/4 2s are 8. Plus here is there any possibility for the cross division? Directly you can do 6 into 14, 84/20. Okay, now take the LCM for 8 and 20. 2 table. 2 4s are 8, 2 10s are again 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Again 2 table. 2 1s are 2 and 5 is the remainder. 5 table 1 1. So now multiply this all. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40 is the LCM. Okay, in 8 table 40 multiplied, divide 5 times. 5 into 63 plus in 20 table 40 divide 2 times. 2 into 84. So multiply these two and find the total of the sum. Last you have to do the mixed fraction. Okay, so next this is the last, almost everything I did children. Last finally multiply these two and do the totaling of that products. Okay, next F. A man had 25 meters of a cloth. He sold 17 1/3 meter. How much is left with him? Left, just now I told no, left is there means that you have to do the subtraction. Okay, so the statement what you have to write? The cloth width or the length of the cloth is equal to 25 meters and the length of the cloth sold is equal to 17 1/3. 17 1/3 converted, change into the improper fraction. Now listen carefully. F. And 17 1/3. 17 1/3 converted to the improper fraction. 3 into 17 you will be getting 51. 51 plus 1 is equal to 52/3. So next step what you have to do means 25/1 minus 52/3. Take the LCM of 1 and 3. You will be getting 3 only as the answer and have to do the subtraction. Okay. Next G. David covered 22 1/5 kilometers in 1 hour. How many kilometers will he cover in 3 1/2 hours? So here what you have to do means you have to multiply the hours. For example, how many in 1 hour he completed 27. Now G1. In 1 hour he completed 27 1/5 kilometers. And next in 3 hours 3 1/2 is there. So convert this into the improper fraction. 27 into 5 is equal to 135 plus 1 136/5. And next will be the 3 1/2. 3 1/2. 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7/2. Okay, now 136/5 into 7/2. Do the simple cross division, you will be getting the remaining 136. Okay, 2 ones are 2 and you will be getting here 6 2s are 12. Sorry, 6 2s are 12 and 6 8s are. So remaining will be 68 into 7/5. 68 into 7/5. Multiply these two, you will be get the answer, and that divided by 5 you have to do. Okay, next. Last, H. A pole of length 13 1/3 meters was cut into 4 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece? So here 13 1/3 divided by 4. 13 3s are 39 plus 1 is equal to 40/3 divided by 4/1. Take the reciprocal. So if you take the reciprocal, 40/3 into 1/4. 4 1s are 4, 4 10s are 40. 10/3 and do the convert into the mixed fraction. Okay, like this all the sums you have to do along with the statements neatly in your maths notebook. By this we completed our 10th chapter.